I should do this. I'm a madman in this. Like, so this is where I'm gonna go blonde. I wouldn't say Aladdin was boring for me. The main reason of me taking a break from TV and taking a break from all of this is that.
Hello everyone, this is Simran, and joining me for a conversation today is somebody who's the perfect definition when it comes to versatility, because she can dance, she can sing, she can act, of course, she can write, she does amazing makeup, and if she wants to be a model, that too she can be, because she aces such good poses and strikes amazing pictures for the gram. I am talking about, of course, the very gorgeous Avneet Kaur. Hi Avneet, it's so good to have
Hi.
you.
Hi Simran, thank you so much for having me, and that's like the best interview that I could ever have. Like, that's best.
Okay, now coming to something that's released day before yesterday, I think. आपका सॉन्ग रिलीज हुआ है, फिर से एक सॉन्ग रिलीज हुआ है, I should say, because Avneet is giving us like bangers one after the other, and सब कुछ हम trending list पे ही देख लेते हैं because it has to trend. And tell me about देखे सारे ख्वाब. How is the response been like? Of course, it must be overwhelming.
It's been amazing, and I'm just so overwhelmed with the love that we've received for Dekhe Sare Khwab, and people have been loving it. People have been connecting to it, which is the best part. और हम लोगों ने सबने इतनी मेहनत की है. सिद्धार्थ, मैंने, the director, the team, the makeup and hair, everybody has put in their efforts into this. So I'm just really happy that people are actually liking this, and they're loving the audio as well. Ishan ने इतना अच्छी तरीके से गाया है, and he's such a beautiful singer. So yeah, everything is just falling into place, and I'm very happy about that.
Right. When you pick a song, थोड़ा भी idea होता है कि how is the audience going to receive it, like because you've been doing it one after the other, and I'm sure you have a sort of like idea in mind कि मैं इस type के songs लूंगी, या फिर it has to be different from the previous one that I did. How do you like basically make a decision?
I think for me it's always about being different, because me as a person, I get bored very soon. Like, I just need to do something new in my life, or else I just can't. So that's the thing. And whenever I'm choosing my projects, I always make sure कि कुछ different होना चाहिए. Like, all my albums till now, I've tried to do something different than the previous one. So it's always like either a dance number or an emotional song. This one had a completely different vibe to it. It was like this intense, rough, really natural. There was some different vibe to it. And when I got to know, actually, जब मुझे audio सुनने मिला, I was like, I love the song. I absolutely loved it. But I need to know what is the, what are we thinking about? And then the director told me about the vibe of the song, and then how the feel of the song, and how they were supposed to, like, how they are going to take montages of us, and there's going to be like chote cuts throughout the video. So I was like, nobody's done this, so I should do this. That's when I was like, Mom, let's go ahead with this project. I want to do this project.
Right. Another thing जो मैंने आपके songs में observe किया है is of course the styling bit, and how can I miss on that, because every look is just so different from the other. Like in one of the songs you had this short haircut, and then किसी में थोड़ा Indo-Western सा hippie vibe है. Tell me, like, personal inputs, of course, I'm sure you must be having. So tell me the personal inputs that you give when it comes to styling and hair and makeup and all of that.
I think for an actor, working on the looks is also a very important thing.
True.
And I'm a madman in this. Like, I have to try new stuff. So that's what I did in this one also. When I got to know about the feel, and when I got to know Siddharth is going to be opposite me. So he's got this really intense, he's very vampire-ish, I don't know, feel in him. So I was like, I cannot go brunette, mama. I need to try something else. So I went blonde for this song. I was like, you need to go blonde once in your life for sure. So this is where I'm gonna go blonde, and this is the project that I'm gonna go blonde for. And I did, and actually that looked so well on screen, and I'm so happy with the way people have responded to that. All my fans वो लोग इतने खुश हुए हैं to see me in that look, and
right.
अच्छा हुआ, like whatever happened was very good.
Right. This was about this project, but apart from this, also you've been very experimental overall. Like Instagram feed पे भी देखो तो you'll have to just think कि अभी कौन सा look चल रहा है, because you don't know, like, is it short hair? Is it going to change tomorrow? Is it going to go to black again? But like people your age or being actors also are very skeptical कि looks के साथ experiment करने के लिए.
Right.
Like, how do you get that sort of guts, if I can use that word, to just go ahead, do anything with your looks or anything, makeup wise also?
Yeah, I'm a crazy person. Yeah, maybe I don't know. I really am. Maybe I really like to experiment. People don't go, out of their comfort zone, and I feel like once you go out of your comfort zone is when you will actually understand that what all you can do. Like there are so many possibilities you don't even know about. So I think that's me. That's what I've always been, and I'll always be that. मेरे ना phases होते हैं, like I have my phases, like so that's what happens. But I always try and create something new, even in the terms of styling and fashion and everything. As you said, like even in X-Calling we went with a short haircut, that was a wig. So
right.
I suggested that idea because I was like ये vibe ही अलग है गाने की, तो इसके साथ if we do something like this, it'll match. So it's always the imagination. It depends on my imagination. It's what I think what will work. So I just go ahead with it.
Right. This question I also asked on the live where you and Siddharth were there. It was basically, when you are somebody जिसका हर song is trending, उसके बाद जब एक new song आता है, कहीं ना कहीं back of the mind, do you have that sort of pressure कि the success is going to be detected based on the number of trending पे ये जाए, या फिर it has to trend basically to prove that वो जो audience का validation होता है? Do you have that thing in mind?
Definitely. See, numbers are very important nowadays.
Right.
And people really judge the project based on the numbers, which I think is not a good thing to do, but
of course
they do, like everybody does now. But for me, each and every project that I've done, I've put the same amount of hard work, the same amount of effort in each and every project. So for me, अगर वो गाना 2 million भी है या एक गाना 50 million हो गया है, 60 million हो गया, it's always going to be special to me because I gave each and everything, my 100% to that project. So for me, at least, trying something new, trying something out of my comfort zone and giving all that I've got to that project matters. That's all that matters.
Right. Song का नाम is देखे सारे ख्वाब. I want to know एक ख्वाब जो अवनीत का complete हुआ and you were like over the moon, और एक जो अभी भी आप wait कर रहे हो for that ख्वाब to come true.
एक ख्वाब तो ऐसा है जो कंप्लीट हुआ है जिसके बारे में अभी नहीं बता सकती, but it's not related to my work or professional life. It's something else which I'll be saying, which I'll be actually announcing very soon. So वो वाला एक ख्वाब कंप्लीट हो चुका है, and दूसरा ख्वाब जो अभी कंप्लीट करना बाकी is me becoming a director is what I've said. Like that's what I want to do. So I want to become like a successful director. And
you have the look already with those specs. You look like
it's like I'm all ready. Roll the camera, action.
You just have to make a low bun और ऐसे बस शुरू हो जाना with the vibe, the director.
Bossy, I'm completely bossy.
Right. Another thing that I have observed, मुझे ऐसे लगता है जो अवनीत में लॉकडाउन से पहले मिली थी या मैं जिसका इंस्टाग्राम पहले देखती थी वो sort of different, और अब ऐसा लगता है that there's a Avneet 2.0. And I want
I
to
know.
know what have you been doing to get that sort of, vibe to yourself. It's more like intellectual, mature, calm, and then something like that. So you have to tell me you have been doing something. lag raha hai mujhe aisa. You've been sharing quotes and all of that. So tell
Yaar,
me.
I'm not going to meditation कोई जगह पे नहीं जाती. I'm all chill. It's not that. But yeah, as you said,
But you will
definitely
agree that
even my
हाँ.
I agree to that. Like even my fans have sort of noticed that a little bit of change, but it comes with age, doesn't it? Like I think it just comes with age and it comes with experience in your life.
You are
जो
18.
आप experience करते
So
हो.
I
I'm
think
19.
it's not-
Simran,
Yeah.
I'm 19.
अच्छा, एक साल में बहुत फर्क पड़ गया.
यार देखो, काम बड़े बड़े करने तो थोड़ा फिर ऐसा करना ही पड़ेगा ना. So no, it's not that actually. I've sort of realized something about myself. I wouldn't say I've changed, but I've realized that this is
Evolved.
me, and this is where I feel more alive. I would say this is where I feel more like myself, being in this sort of state of mind or being in this sort of zone. So yeah, I think it's not a change, it is a realization point.
Right.
Yeah,
You know,
I've
because
accepted that.
Avit, you also have very young followers, like 15, 16. That is actually a very fragile age. You're sort of trying to find yourself, I can say. And abhi to with the lockdown and all of that, and we are living in a pandemic, घर पे बैठ के बहुत ज़्यादा, people get like low and all of that. What do you have to tell those kids with the board exams ka thing going upar niche and 10, 12 ke bachche are just facing so much like if we can use the word trauma or the sadness and all of that, what do you have to tell them?
First of all, I'm really glad I gave my boards. And so that happened before the lockdown. I'm very, very, very happy. But to all the people that are going through this right now, I would just want to say that stay put, and this is going to change in a while. Definitely things are going to change in a while. Nothing is permanent. And all I want to say is that look at the positive side कि आपको कितनी सारी चीजें अभी experiment करने मिल सकती हैं, and you can actually see what you actually like and what you want to do in your future. Like what are you passionate about? Find your passion right now. Find that balance in your life. So this is like the perfect point in your life where you can actually think about all these things because you've got all the time in the world right now. So I think you can actually utilize this time to think about that.
Right. And along the same lines, you are responsible and answerable to 18.6 million people as we speak when it comes to putting content on Instagram. Tell me, is there a sort of like process that goes on कि मैं ऐसी चीजें डालूंगी या फिर the picture that I post or the reel that I make has to be something which is mindful of me doing the things that I'm doing?
Me as a person, I do what I like to do, and I cannot pretend is something that I have faced all my life. But I think being responsible is the right word. Being responsible इस मुकाम पर आके, इस प्लेटफॉर्म पे आके is a very important thing to do. But being down to earth and looking at people the same way that you've been looking at is very important. And my mother and I've been so lucky. My parents have been there all my life to make me realize this beta that there are people. Yeah, you have to be you have to be yourself. Humanity is important, and this is something that they've told me, and this is something that I'm very, very sure and positive about, that I'll never change about myself.
Right. In terms of upcoming projects, what do we have, and what are the fans going to see from you?
Okay. So Yeah, like देखे सारे ख्वाब को तो आप लोग प्यार दे ही रहे हैं, but with it there's another album coming in a few I don't know, but थोड़े time में. So that one is very again that's very very special to me, and that's a beautiful melody. And I'm very very excited about that song, and I hope that people really like it because that song is very special to me.
Right. Because I've been also seeing a lot of your projects. Abhi, like, one after the other songs aate hi ja rahe hain. You've done a daily soap also for the longest time. And, what is the difference sort of? Kyunki yahan pe, and I know, as you said, that, you get bored very easily. So yahan pe to you must be having a blast because after every 2 days, there's a different thing that's happening.
Yeah, like I completely follow this in my life. An artist is a canvas, you know. You can just make them, like you can paint your colors on them however you wish to. So that is me as a person. Like I want to be that canvas. Ki kuch bhi ho, I can just change and I can just snap and I can switch. So yeah, that's why it's very boring for me. So I wouldn't say Aladdin was boring for me. It was never boring for me because it was very challenging for me at so many levels. Because that is the reason why I chose that show in the first place. I never went for, like you actually look at my shows, the daily soaps that I've done, not a lot though, but they've never ever been same old. It's never been that. So Aladdin, maybe I was very very happy with everything. But then again, I wanted to.
So of course it was challenging.
Yeah, man. I swear that was like the bestest time.
Right.
And
okay,
but again, like as me, आपको पता है like how I sort of want to experiment on things. So music videos really they let me do that in a way. You know, let me switch my characters. So that's what I really enjoy. Yeah. And even for that matter, अगर कोई web series भी हुई और या ऐसा कोई long term भी कुछ हुआ, even if it's a film, I would love to be a part of that. It's not like I'm only looking forward to doing more music videos in my life.
Right. Because you pointed out web shows. Is there something? Of course, offers. I am sure you must be getting. Do we have anything there, or is it just still that you've not come down to selecting what do I want to be a part of?
I think the main reason of me taking a break from TV and taking a break from all of this is that I am actually genuinely waiting for a project that can really excite me somewhere. And I'm actually waiting for. मैं चाहती हूँ, like it's not like I don't want to do web shows at all. I really want to do web shows, and I really want to I really want to experience and discover more about this genre. But nothing really fascinated me. Like there was nothing so fascinating. All the projects that came in the past few months, they were not really interesting. So I really am waiting for something interesting as well. Yeah.
Right. And now, of course, there's lockdown again. And this time it's not like last year where everybody's just baking and like cooking and all of that. This time it's hit really hard because who would have thought that last year this time we were all like, "Arey, agle saal this time pe we do this, we do that," and who knew that we'll again be stuck at home. So
exactly.
That's again a right. Lastly, I would ask you to give a quick message to all your Avneetians जो हमेशा wait करते हैं to just hear something from you, see your interview, see something, and what are you having? If that also we can know.
I'm having papaya. It's good for your skin. It's good for your hair. Yeah. So, okay. To all my beautiful people, all my Avneetians, all my loved ones, if you're watching this, I just want to say that please stay safe in this pandemic, and please take care of yourself, eat healthy, जितना हो सके ध्यान दो अपना, and do watch this full interview with Simran. Finally we get talking again finally there's another interview, and I always have fun interviewing with you with India Forum. So I'm very, very, very happy. So I'm glad this happened.
Thank you so much. Now you can have your snack, and we won't disturb you. Thank you so much for doing this, and all the best for everything that you do here on.
Thank you so much, Joe. Thank you.
Thank you. Bye.